There is an AI mobile app raking in $700,000 every single month. And all they're doing is wrapping ChatGPT and Perplexity into a clean user experience. And today in this video, we're breaking down exactly how they do it. From their onboarding to their paywall to their marketing strategy, we are exposing it all. Now, look, this is a very simple app, but trust me, what they're doing is not luck. They're using very specific systems in their onboarding, in their marketing, and in their paywall to be extremely successful. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can take these learnings and replicate these systems for your own products. And look, I've done this myself. I've built and scaled multiple apps past $40,000 and even $90,000 per month in monthly recurring revenue. It's not because I'm a genius, but it's because I do exactly what I'm about to show you in this video, and I study the best performing competitors. I look at what other apps like this are doing. How on earth are they making $700,000 per month? You can learn from this and input these same strategies into your own business. So if you stick with me until the end of this video, I will show you absolutely everything, and you will walk away knowing exactly how this AI app is making an insane amount of money every single month. And more importantly, how you can apply it to your own business. But real quick, first, thank you so much to everyone who has been subscribing to the channel. We are about to hit 50,000 subscribers. It means the world to me that you guys are enjoying the videos. And be sure to like the video. It's going to tell the algorithm that you want to watch content that actually teaches you something instead of watching random brain rot videos on the internet. So drop a like and you will see more content like this that actually teaches you something. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we have it. This is the app we're going to be covering. It is called Deep Search, the AI search assistant, and it is making a whopping $700,000 every single month. And I've broken down absolutely everything right here in this document. If you want the link to this document, it's going to be in the description. I will send it over to you. The simplicity of this app is going to blow your mind. I'm going to give you a quick sneak peek here. This app is maybe maximum 20 screens, and they are printing $700,000. I've never seen an app more simple than this, crushing it so hard. And we're about to get into their marketing, their onboarding, their paywall. We're going to cover absolutely everything about this app, but we need to understand why this app goes viral in the first place, right? It's very obvious when you first look at it. This is a deep search tool. You know, to be honest, it's just a wrapper of probably Perplexity and ChatGPT, but it allows you to ask AI about anyone. You can conduct targeted searches, you can look at the videos, you can discover, and you can revisit your search history. But this is nothing out of the ordinary. And to show you, I did a search on myself in Perplexity, and here it is. Everything. Pictures associated with me, my reputation, blah, 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 personal background, absolutely everything is shown here in Perplexity. This is what the app does, and I just did it for free in 2 seconds. So this app is just a complete AI wrapper. That is why it's successful. Now, the reason this app is successful is because the way that they position it. Yes, it's just an AI wrapper, but the way they're positioning it, and we'll see here shortly in their marketing, the way they are positioning this is to find dirt on people, or, you know, don't date this person before you've done a deep search, or deep search your significant other, right? That is the main reason this app is able to go viral, and they're targeting a specific pain point, and it's generating an insane amount of FOMO, as we're about to see in their marketing, because they make you think that you will find and uncover something that you had no idea existed about your significant other or a friend of yours, right? That is the way they're marketing people. And then of course they are conducting some very aggressive A/B testing, which we will look into here shortly. Now, their marketing strategy. They have unlocked global appeal, and we can see that in their Facebook ads library. And again, I've linked, you know, their paid ads. I've linked their viral organic ads all right here in this document. Let's take a look at their paid ads. They are running 710 paid ads right now as we speak. These are active ads. They're not running 710 ads unprofitably. These ads are wildly profitable for them. And just going on a quick search here, boom, we can see these ads in all sorts of different languages, which tells us this product is absolutely crushing. And it's not just in the US. They are crushing globally, right? And we could take a look at a couple of their paid ads here and just see what is working for them.
Why are your eyes darting like that?
Cool, then let's run Deep Search to see if he's on any dating website. What's your first name?
Jonathan.
Last name?
Bricks.
What are you doing?
That's you! God, that's you!
No, babe, you got it all wrong.
We can see what they're doing here. They're attacking the, you know, significant other.
This app is banned in 3 states already. It's called Deep Search. You can literally ask it any information about anyone. So I'm asking it to tell me everything it knows about me so that I can see how much I'm exposed.
I mean, this is insane. It's literally just Perplexity. It's literally just Google search. It's just chat. It's literally just a search wrapper. But the way they're positioning it, again, it's high emotional appeal. The way that they are positioning this product is find, the deepest, darkest secrets of someone on the internet. But it's just a GPT wrapper. But this is an absolute masterclass in marketing. They're targeting, looking up your significant other. They're targeting the dating approach, finding dirt on people. And we can go through their ads all day long. Again, I'm going to get in trouble for saying this, but don't marry her until you look her up on deep search. Don't type in your boyfriend's name on deep search. Like, this is a marketing masterclass. There's such high appeal here. There's such high FOMO.
I will be one of the greatest, that is a vow, yeah, that is a promise.
And look how simple these ads are. Anybody can make an ad like this in 2 seconds. It's literally just text on the screen. The simplicity here is insane. And we can go to the viraladlibrary.com and we can actually look at some of their organic content as well. This is some content that has gone viral for them organically. I searched my boyfriend's name on deep search and found out, right? So same concept that's crushing for them on paid ads is doing extremely well for them organically. This guy got suspicious, checked her phone. Boom, looked him up on deep search. So they're clearly taking the dating angle here. We can look at all of their most viral videos organically on social media through the viral ad library. It's the same thing we just saw in their paid ads. Marketing is 95% of the success of any mobile app, and they are absolutely knocking it out of the park. Real quick, if you've ever wanted to launch your own store, but you felt blocked by tech, let me put you onto something real quick. It's called Everbee Store, and it lets creators launch fully functional stores in literally minutes. No coding, no stress. And what I personally love about it and why I'm sharing it with you, it's not just for physical products. You can sell digital products, subscriptions, memberships, and even print on demand. Here's why Everbee Store is worth checking out. Number one, you can go live in under 10 minutes. Their AI will build the store for you. No tech, no skills, no headaches. Just click, type, and launch. Number two, their entire store experience is fully conversion optimized, AI powered, and SEO ready. From day one, your page will be optimized for load speed and organic traffic so that your store is ready to convert. And three, their AI store builder keeps learning. Your store will get smarter over time and figure out what works with your audience so you don't have to keep updating. So whether you're a creator, an indie hacker, or you're just validating a new SaaS idea, the Everbee Store is one of the easiest ways to get up and running and selling fast. You can try it out now at everbee.io/store or click the link in the description. Now back to the video. Now let's take a look at their onboarding. I've linked their entire onboarding here in this document. And what's going to shock you about this onboarding, and is very different to most of the apps we see, is that, their onboarding is only 4 steps here. We'll play it at 4x speed and we'll go through. Unlock anyone full time, explore new connections. Okay. Dive deeper into people, explaining the features. And then we hit the paywall. 4 screens in the onboarding, no survey, no convincing them that they need the product. It's just a simple paywall. And there is a soft paywall here, and we're going to dive into how they're upselling people in a little bit, but they are taking the freemium model approach, which is why they're able to have such a short onboarding. They want to funnel people into this app as fast as possible. And we already know what the strategy is going to be. They're locking the most important information, the information that you really want, behind a paywall. So the onboarding is literally only 4 steps. So the onboarding ends here, and then this is the entire app. These are all the screens in the app. There's only 14 screens in the app, and 2 of those are the terms of use and privacy policy. This app is so painfully simple, right? So let's take a look at what they are hiding behind paid features here. So it looks like you can look people up. Okay, so there's a credit system. So you only have a certain amount of searches every single day. And yeah, it looks like here, if you look for sources, you can look at their Facebook, 3 more sources. They lock all this stuff behind the pro and premium model, right? So they probably let you do 1 or 2 searches per day, and then they're going to lock you up. And if you want to search more people, you're going to have to pay, right? Absolutely genius model. But their onboarding is very short, and it's because their marketing is very strong. The concept of the app is very simple, and they're taking the freemium model approach. So yes, there is some spend behind their API that they're connecting to Perplexity or whatever tool they're using, right? But it doesn't matter. They're willing to sacrifice that small cost because they know eventually people will upgrade. Now let's look at their paywall. They're presenting 2 options on their paywall. One is 7-day full access, and this they charge you upfront. I want you to keep in mind, this is a little bump up model, right? 7-day full access is only $2, and then they switch you to a $7 per week plan. This is probably crushing for them. And then they have the yearly, which is $39.99 per year. They do not need a free trial, again, because it is a soft paywall. You can close out of this, and they're taking the freemium model approach. And I even looked on their in-app purchases here, and those are the only two plans they have. They have $6.99 and they have $39.99. Those are the two options. It's clearly crushing for them. It's clearly profitable because, again, they're running 710 paid ads as we speak. So this is their paywall. Very simple, very straightforward. Get pro access. Where this app really stands out is in their marketing. This is where this app stands out above the rest. It's crazy how simple this app is that's making $700,000 a month. And there are many more apps just like this, and you can build your own app. And if that's something that interests you, I dropped a full 1-hour video explaining exactly how to take your app idea from just an idea all the way to scale. So if you're interested in building your own app, be sure to check out the hour-long video that I dropped. I show absolutely everything when it comes to building apps. That's going to be right here.